Okay, so this is another launch template that I use where we are giving away a higher amount of our products, and I suggest that you do 75% because 75% is what works best. That's the bottom line. So do a 75% launch, and you're going to use, therefore, because we're giving away such a large amount, instead of using a group coupon code, you're going to use a single use coupon code, meaning that only one person can use the code, and then the code is done. So the reason we do that is because we don't want to have a 75% group coupon code out in the open where anybody can use it and use it to take all of our stock at a huge discount. So that's why we don't do it. And so to deliver those 75% coupon codes, what I've set up for you is a integration with Google Sheets. And this is really, really cool because it means that this whole process, again, is automated for you and allows you to set this up and set up how many you want to give away at that price, and by doing so you get much more control over it, and of course you haven't got to manually do it. You don't need to email people their own new coupon codes. It just happens automatically for you, which I love. So it's a little bit more complicated, clearly, because there's a few more moving parts to it, and we've got to integrate with Google Sheets, but it's not so complicated that it requires a PhD to do it. It's nothing like that, all right? There's just a few more moving parts, that's all. So here's the sheet. It's also in the launch section as well. So you put in here, look, that you're going to need Google Sheets, and there's a link to Google Sheets. What a nice person I am. I've also done a step-by-step guide to setting up single-use promo codes in Seller Central, so that's there for you too. We're not going to do that anymore. I'll take that off. And then I've also here, of course, which you're already watching, is the video to do that. And that's the ManyChat flow that you're going to install. So let's just go ahead and install that flow. Okay, so here we are on the template. I'm just going to click on install. And again, you will need a pro account for this. There's no way around that, unfortunately. It's just the way it is. You'll need a pro account. So you can ignore all of this for now. We don't need to update any of this just yet. We're going to update this actually in the flow. Okay, so there's no problem at all there. So we're just going to press install. Template installation is in process. There we go. So bada boom, bada bing. Easy peasy, all done. Okay, so that's the installation complete. Next phase is to set up our Google Sheets integration. So it goes without saying that you're going to already need to have a Gmail account to get Google Sheets, and hopefully that's pretty easy for you to do, and you don't need me to tell you how to get a Google account, Gmail account, whatever you call it. That's already done for you. So let's go and set up our integration with Google Sheets. Okay, so our first job, once we've installed the template, is just to update a couple of custom fields that we need to update. So I've put that just in here for you. Look, custom fields in ManyChat, and it shows you to get to it by settings and then custom fields. So let me just show you that. So here's the settings tab just here. If I just click on settings, you end up at this page, the general page, but we're going to need the custom fields page. And there are three things we're going to alter. So let me just show you what they are. So you've got the user fields, and we've got bot fields. So here's the user fields just here, and here's the bot fields just here. And so the three that we're going to alter are the coupon code field, which is a number, as you'll see, and a coupon code name, which is a text. So coupon code field, which is the number, and coupon code text, which is the text. So the only one out of those two we're going to update is this one here. And we're just going to put in what it is. So let's just say it's fluffy toys and it's 75%, because that's what we're doing dead easy. We're going to leave that coupon code field as it is. Fluffy toys, actually I'm going to make those all capitals just because I think that's a better way of doing it. Fluffy toys, 75%. Oops. And then I'm just going to copy that because I'm going to use that again. Alright, so that's the fluffy toy field, just here. And I've highlighted that in orange so you know you got to change it. You can leave that one as it is. And then the bot field, we've got bot coupon field number. So coupon field is just this one here. And that's a number look, so you know you're in the right spot. So I'm just going to copy that in, and I'm going to leave the word bot on there just so that I know that that's the bot one. So in the bot field, I always have things botted. And in the user field, I just leave them blank. All right, so that's the setup of custom fields completed. So pretty easy setup. Okay, so once we've done that, next thing we're going to do is we're going to integrate this little puppy with Google Sheets. Now, to do that, you will need to be an admin holder of this account. So if you're setting this up for somebody else, if you're one of my Amazon consultants, for instance, then you'll need to have admin access to the account to be able to do this next phase, all right? And of course, that's all done from users. And you can see, look, I'm admin here versus Orvi, who is just live chat, but I can change it to admin just there, for instance, okay? So you won't be able to do this unless you are an admin on the account. So again, we're in settings. I'm just coming over to integrations, and I'm going to connect this little puppy to Google Sheets. Look at all this cool shit you can do. Super cool. Anyway, let's connect. So just going to press connect, and then I can choose whichever one I want. In this one, I want this little one here. And this allows ManyChat to have my firstborn child and full access to all of my finances and stuff. Just allow that. All right, so that is now connected. All right, dead easy to do. All right, so next we need to set up our Google Sheet with all of our single-use claim codes on it. So what I've done for you is how to actually go about creating your single-use claim code. That's all in there for you. Pretty easy to do. And then I've also set up a coupon code spreadsheet template for you. And you can see there's a couple of different things here for you, but this is the one we need. Fluffy Toy Promo, 75% off. You will rename that to whatever your product name is, promo 75% off, okay? So here you've got the coupon number, and that should be a sequential numbers. And then the 75% off single-use codes, which I've just got out of Amazon, downloaded from Amazon directly. So that's all set up, ready to go. So now let's go and integrate that into our ManyChat flow. Okay, so we're on action number 3, and we're just going to go into here. So that's already set up, Fluffy Toy 75% off the bot, which is what we want. And now we're going to Google Sheets actions, get row by value. So coupon code spreadsheet template, that's the one we want right there. And it's the worksheet, which is the one I set up, Fluffy Toy Promo 75. Lookup column. So the single-use coupon codes is the ones I want. Oops, my apologies, that's actually the incorrect way around it. Okay, so what we need this to do now is to go find the right data. So we're going to look up the column, and that's going to be the coupon code number, and look at the value, that's already in there, which we want the one we've just set up, which is the bot field. Okay, so the bot field we'll set up, and then we're going to leave the coupon number blank, but we're going to have the single-use 75% off single-use coupons, which is the row from there. And we're going to link that to the custom user fields, Fluffy Toy 75% off, which will be the whatever it is for you. Your product name 75% off. All right, so what the hell does all that mean? Well, basically what it means is anytime we tell the bot, the ManyChat flow that we've done, to go get that Fluffy Toy 75%, it's going to come to this sheet and insert sequentially one of these codes. That's basically what we've just set up there. So that's how that whole thing's working. All right, so that's now set up properly. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, so let's just scroll back out a little in a little bit. So now we've got the action being performed here properly. We know that the post is right. Let's just check on that. That post is being delivered properly. It's our fluffy toy 75. And make sure that is the user field, not the bot field. So user fields are all here, look. Custom user fields, and it's fluffy toy 75. That's one we're done. So we just want to make sure that's all set up properly, and it is. And then we're going to, not quite done yet, so we've got one more thing to alter. That's the actions number 4. And the only thing this does is this just tells the ManyChat flow that we don't want to give the same coupon code to every single person. We want to we want to give this to the first person, this to the second person, this to the third person, etc., etc. So to do that, we're just going to click on where it says set custom fields. Just going to check it. So custom field, again, we know that that's the right thing. It's actually in this bot fields. So we want the bot in there. We'll set the number, increase the number by 1. So that just tells it to go along and go to the spreadsheet and give the coupon codes, single-use coupon codes out sequentially. So that's what that tells it to do. All right. And that's it. So it's pretty simple then. Obviously, you have to put your own product in there, of course. So you're going to put your product insert into it as well. This tag here, again, product name buyer. Anytime you see me say product name, just know that you've got to update that. Ditto in this message here, product name. Just got to update that. And bada boom, bada bing, you're done. So you can publish that now. All right, so that's it for that. It's pretty simple to set up, as you can see. As always, you want to test it, so let's go ahead and test it now. Okay, so to just test everything out, we just go to preview. Open it in Messenger. Hey there, you're almost there. Click the email, I'm going to send you a coupon. Here is your coupon. Fluffy Dollars give for 25%. There you go. Copy the coupon below. Blah, blah, blah. Shows you how to shop. Dead easy, okay? Now that hasn't come up because I didn't change that in the flow. You would, of course, change that in the flow, just like I showed you to, but didn't do mine. So that all works perfectly. Bada boom, bada bing, and we're done. All right, so that's it. That's a great little thing. It's a great way of launching a product. I know it's a little bit more convoluted, a little bit more in depth, but it is actually worth doing. The 75% off really does work very well, so I hope that you use it too.